Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to sign up on GitHub. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in github.com. After that, you will have a screen looking like this. But now let's check out what we have in front of us. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have the product, solutions, resources, open source, enterprise, and pricing. So we can see, let's build from here, the world's leading AI-powered developer platform. You can, of course, go and sign up to GitHub, which we want to do, by going to the top right corner where you have two options, sign in and sign up. Obviously, we're going to go and click on the sign up option. Now a screen like this will pop out. So, welcome to GitHub. Let's begin the adventure. You need to go and type in your email address here. And then just click continue. You need to create a password. And again, click continue. Enter your username. And click, of course, again, continue. So now that if you could click everything here, so the name is not available, so I have to put something else. Click continue. If you want to receive emails, put that and create your account. Your account will be start verifying. So here, of course, you can go and put just a second. You need to go through all of these controls here. So that you can, of course, go and do that, and then you will have your account created. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.